We all love footy, don't we? Wonder how the players manage that dynamic and fluent passing? It is the training they undergo as a team to develop that cohesiveness so well that every player knows their roles and can also predict their teammates' next move. Surgery is no different from a footy scenario. Well, most of the operation is performed by the chief surgeon. They still need a supporting team. The surgeon is dependent on the anesthetic nurse who is continuously monitoring the consciousness of the patient. Another doctor ready to administer a drug. A nurse who is feeding all the surgical equipment. The situation is so critical that a small miscommunication can jeopardize the entire operation. Unlike footy, here the teams cannot lose because life of every patient is very precious. According to a review published in 2018, approximately 30% of the interactions that happen during surgery includes at least one failed communication. A third of these scenarios often puts the patients under very complicated situation which could also result in death. Improper communication causes doubts in a person which delays their response. That moment, it elevates the mental stress of the entire team, disrupting their functioning. You can imagine the consequences. We all know every life matters, and when it comes to life, second chances are always risky. Everyone undergoes a formal training and qualification in their respective roles. However, there is no training and assessment exclusively defined to evaluate how well they function as a team. Well, my PhD thesis is about understanding what makes a better team. I developed this framework which can capture the behavioral and physiological aspects of surgical teams under various real-life simulated circumstances. Complex visual, communication, and electrophysiological patterns of every team member will be collectively analyzed to understand the cause behind the team's mistakes, failures, or even identifying any effective practices. The feedback from the system will be used to apply corrective measures and help the surgical teams develop an effective communication, preparing them for any situation. I believe that this framework can boost a doctor's confidence in his team the next time they walk into a life-changing surgery. Human errors due to improper communication has not just affected surgical teams. Firefighting teams, emergency paramedics experience this on a daily life. I wish to modify these scenarios and apply the framework to assess teams across other emergency response domains where life is a paramount concern. After all, it is the confident team which gets the better odds. Thank you.